So right now we are inside of the app called Ecamm. Ecamm is for Mac only, disclaimer. If you have a PC, you can use StreamYard. StreamYard is very similar to Mac, except it's for PCs and Mac. So what you want to do is you want to go to your website, like we are on mine now. And inside of Ecamm, right at the bottom, you will see, let me go into live demo mode real quick so you can see. It's going to be a little confusing because it's going to be like a loop because we're in live demo mode. So just stay focused really quick. Let me turn it on. Okay. Now you see what I see. And this is how it looks on my end. So right here where you see the pause and the finish button, in the middle, Ecamm says record now. It's just like just one record button. You'll push the record button and then you'll hop over there to your website. So right underneath here is my website. So see how I'm scrolling? And once again, it's a loop, so it looks kind of confusing. But I'm going to turn off live demo mode so you can focus correctly. Let me go up here and turn it off. Okay. Now you should only be seeing my screen. But remember, it's still recording. So you're going to just scroll, 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 keep scrolling until you get to the end of your website. And then once you're done, that finish button, let me come back into live demo mode so you can see. Right over here in the corner, you see where it says pause and finish. I can't do finish right now because I'm recording this video for you, but if you just wanted to record your screen, you will click finish and okay. So let me come out of live demo mode because we are not finished yet. All right. So now I'm going to act as if I'm already done recording my website. You are then going to go into the membership and then you're going to watch the video tutorial and it's going to teach you how to do it. Just like the video tutorial I'm doing now. You're going to scroll down and you have 2 Canva templates. We'll click this one. And this is the product mockup that you'll use. You can just scroll down and select use template for new design. You'll open it up and it'll bring you to this Canva page. What we want to do is we want to take the video that you just made of your website scrolling and you're going to drag and drop it right here inside of Canva. Just let it go and Canva's going to automatically upload it for you. We can't do that now because I'm still recording. So we're just going to go and grab one of the Canva videos and act as if it's our video. Let's take this one right here. You're going to hold the video. Do not let go until you are in this frame. Now watch what the video does. It's going to grab every which way. See how I just sucked over there, came over here. Just keep holding, and then let it go once it's inside of the laptop. So we'll do that again. Grab the video. We're going to act as if this is your video that you just recorded inside of Ecamm. Grab the video. Keep coming over, keep coming over. See how it's taking over everywhere? Just keep holding it. Do not let it go. That's the trick. And then drop it. Now, in order to get it to play on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or wherever you're uploading it to, you need to download this as a movie file. So we're going to go to download and we're going to download it as an MP4 video. Now, once you upload it to social media, once they click on the graphic, it'll play. And that's it. So that is how you screen record your laptop or desktop.